Hello everybody. So I just came back from work and I was thinking of making a very small video on um, showing and demonstrating the script, just running it on my machine and just showing that what it exactly does. Uh, I have the talk on Friday, and over there I'm just gonna talk about the reason and discuss some of the technicalities of it. But then I was also thinking of just showing it uh, before I give the talk, because there might be some logistical issues or something in which I might not be able to run it on spot. So here's a quick demo. So I have my Linux machine over here, and on this one I just opened up the GitHub page to demonstrate, and ignore this part because I was super lazy and didn't even run it locally, run the script locally. So today is December 5th. Today's December 4th, but I think I will just refresh the page. So today's December 4th, and I haven't run the script yet, so I'm just gonna run it. No, it's kind of hard to type in one hand, but still I will show it. It opens up the Chrome browser, it goes to my GitHub, logs in, deletes, and creates a file again, and closes. It's done. So if I refresh the page right now, there you go. It's done. And this, what I did, I automated this whole process in my local machine because I was super lazy and didn't upload that on a server or something that will run automatically on my defined timings. But so I use cron tab. I will give a in detail explanation during the talk. Thank you.